It's a good question. I'm thinking a little bit on my toes here. I think so. When I was teaching in the U.S. At one point, it was quite heartening to see that even those who had not did who had not had the chance to do their higher education would come back and take sit in classes with 20-year olds, and that kind of multi-age. There was a 60-year-old war veteran who was in my class once, apart from other moments where there were other people who were returning to education. But that is possible in a society that is not very judgmental. In a society like ours, there is so much judgment around age. We're a very ageist society in some ways, where hierarchy is built around age. And if someone has to re-enter an education space or wants to, I think a different kind of model would have to be imagined. I don't think our universities are equipped to imagine or handle that kind of thing. Someone like Paulo Freire, who is a great educator, Brazilian educator, his work came largely from educating adult peasants, right? So, and that was in the context of where they were working. So if we can imagine, certain kinds of spaces where we equip our adults as well to become learners, that is suitable to their needs, right? Then I think that would be a very fruitful endeavor. But the traditional university system in India has, age as markers for fellowships, and you cannot, you might not even have your degree, right? Your 12th pass degree you don't have. So how will you enter the education system? You may have lost it. It might baad mein chala gaya hoga. Like you might have gotten lost. And so those people who may need that kind of education will have to have. We need to think of a different model entirely. I think not one that can be embedded in the current system of universities that we have.